50% of the people who set their New Year resolution, they quit within 2 weeks. You know why? Because they rely on motivation. Because motivation is cheap. Motivation is a feeling. And you know what? Feelings change. If you want to change your life in 2026, you do not need motivation. What you need is obsession. So today, I'm going to teach you the mindset that helped me to build my brand in Kara, to quit my job at age of 35 and rewrite my story. So before we get into obsession, I know so many people think that being obsessed means becoming a narcissism. So let's clear this up. Narcissism is about thinking that you are better than every single person out there. But obsession means how can I become better every single day? I have learned the hard way, you cannot save anyone who is drowning. Being obsessed with your goal, being obsessed with your growth, with your mindset, with your bank account is the most selfless thing that you can do because it stops you becoming burden on someone else. And if you look at any successful person, like look at all the athletes, the CEO, the artist, anyone who achieved their goals, they have one thing in common, and that is they are obsessed about their growth. They're obsessed about their craft. They're obsessed about their skills because average people can never achieve abnormal results. Now let's talk about motivation and obsession for a second. So when I decided that I want to quit my job at age of 35, I didn't know how to start a business, and I do not come from that business family. I did not know how to create a content, but because I was obsessed with my dreams, I had this fire inside of me that was pushing me every single day. I learned how to launch my business. I learned how to launch a product. I learned all these things along the way. I was successfully launched my business on Amazon. I was kept creating my videos even when no one was watching. And all this thing happened because I was obsessed with my growth. And if you're thinking just mainly relying on motivation would have got me anywhere, the answer is no, because motivation fades away. I would feel motivated 1 or 2 times because when you are working for yourself, no one is coming to push me. No one is telling me that I need to work harder. Every single day, I work almost 13 hours. As soon as I'm awake, I am working till the time I close my eyes. And this is what most people miss, that when they see somebody's success, they don't see the hard work. They don't see how much work they are putting into the reps. This is where you don't see so many times they miss the party. They miss going out with their family. They don't see the tears when they cry in the middle of the night when they have no one to talk to. And if you're thinking mainly motivation will get you anywhere, then I can tell you for sure, people who are widely successful, they are obsessed about their growth. They are obsessed about their craft. And this is why they are successful. If you are not running after your goals, tell me who is going to run after your goals. Your neighbors, your parents, your partner, no one is going to run after your goals. Have you heard of the athlete mindset? If you look at any athlete, if you look at Olympic runner, do you think they win because they are pumped every single day? Do you think that they wake up early in the morning and go for their training because they are so excited about their goals? Because they are so excited to run? No, they follow a very strict, boring routine day in and day out, and regardless of how they feel. And what is happening to all of us is we are in this dopamine cycle. We are overstimulated all the time, but we are consuming content so much that we are always looking for exciting things to do. Like my life should look like excited all the time. Believe it or not, most of successful people live a very boring life. And I said this many, many times that if you look at behind the camera, my life is a very boring. It's a mundane routine that I follow every single day. But because of that boring routine, I have built my brand. Because of that, I am consistent with my content. This is where I'm going to share with you the 95 rule, which is the 95% of the work is invisible. When you see somebody is success, when you see that someone is making such a great content, what you missed is you have not seen them when they were creating content and no one was watching them. Go back to anyone that you follow, look at their first video. Look at my first video. I am horrified looking at it because that was not something that I was proud of. But in that moment, I needed to create that piece of content if I don't do that, I wouldn't be here. And this is what people see, the 5% glory that you see online. And people think that, oh, successful people don't work hard, they have people working from them. Even if they have people working for them, they work as hard as no one realizes. And one other takeaway that I can share with you is stop looking at excitement and look for consistency. Because after a couple weeks, why your goals started to feel boring? Because now you started to look for excitement. Your brain is craving that dopamine. And this is why you give up on your goals after 2 weeks. If you have a very consistent, boring routine, know that you are building a life that you are going to be so proud of. And here are 3 tools that I use to become obsessed every single day. Instead of visualizing success, write down how your life would look like if you do not make any changes. Like, if your life is exactly how it is, if you don't make any changes, if you do not quit your job, if you do not go after your dreams, how your life would look like. And what happened if you stay the same? And that thought kills me inside because I can never stay average because I know that I have potential. And just thinking from that standpoint, it really helps you to push forward towards your goal. Another thing that I follow, which is instead of looking at my goal as this big mountain to achieve, I just try to see it, how can I become better each day? So instead of looking even a whole year, look at whole month and even cut that short to just 1 week, 1 day at a time. How can I improve my quality of work just for 1 day? And then you have to do it over and over and over every single day. And third, which is very powerful, and that is your environment. If you are surrounded by the people who are just obsessed with their comfort, who are all about that distraction, then you need to make unavailable to those people. And you have to choose yourself. You have to set clear boundaries because there are always going to be those type of friends who will just call you to hang out. They will just call you for drinking. They will just call you so they can just do some gossip with you. And this is where if you do not set that boundary, they'll keep coming and ruining your life, ruining your dreams. By the way, if you are obsessed with your goals and you really want to manifest your dream life, then I have created a life reset workbook where you're not only going to work on your goals, you know what goals to set. It will give you clear, consistent plan to follow, and it's not relying on motivation. It gives you a system how you can manifest your dream life. If you're interested, the link is in the description box below. Because remember, you always have a choice. You can live an average life, and then you cannot expect abnormal result. If you want exceptional life, you have to put in exceptional work. If you are obsessed with your own growth, then only you are going to make the change in your life. The worst is when you are always in between. You are saying you want exceptional life, but you are not okay to sacrifice your weekend. You always wanted to go out and party. The sun is shining, the weather is nice, I want to go to beach. But you have to choose what do you want in those moments. And the decision that you are taking is shaping your life. If you're ready to become obsessed in 2026, then write down in the comment now that you are obsessed with yourself. Now, if you are someone who always blame other people, who blame for luck, for situation, then I'm going to recommend this video right here because this video has clear step how you can take control of your life. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to see you right there.